So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you could create an Instagram profile picture which stands out from your competition. So if you are a theme page or a brand page, you need to have a responsive logo or a profile picture which fits in the Instagram circle. So as you could see right now over here, this is my profile, and let's go back to one of my favorite brand, which is Scott Wolf. They have a fitness clothing, but as you could see over here, their logo is responsive, as in it fits inside the circle. So if I go back to their website, so this is their logo. So all you have to do is make sure that your logo stands out, and it's responsive and it fits inside the circle. So I'm gonna give you one more example right now. So as you could see over here, this is one more page for bracelets, but as you could see over here, the logo is not at all responsive, where a lot of things which you can't read. So all you have to do is just create a logo where it fits inside the circle, so which you could do very easily. So there's this one website called canva.com. It's free to use. You could create your logo over there. So once you log in with your email ID or your Facebook ID, all you have to do is, once you sign up, all you have to do is just click logo. So you can come over here. Once you click over here, you could see a lot of logos over here. So let's say you want to edit this one, so you can just come over here, click, and then you can change the color, you can change everything whatever you want. So let's say I want to make this black or make this red. So come over here, make this red, and then you can move, you can delete, you can do whatever you want. And also one more thing to note down is, let's say you're a theme page or a brand page just like me. Okay, so what you have to do is look at other competition, what are they doing. So as you could see, this is one profile which has a lot of followers. So again, success leave clues. So all you have to do is follow what they are doing or something similar, which is called benchmark and trend. So as you could see on my picture background is yellow. So over here it's white, over here it's yellow, over here it's blue. So all the people who have a lot of followers, look at their background. You could see blue, different colors. Okay, background is plain. Even over here, the Brian Tracy, even he has a white background. Even Vishen, who's transforming lives through Mind Valley, has a blue background. So something similar to that, and you could do it very easily in Canva. And even if you're a theme page, make sure that your logo, you can change your logo. So let's say this is their logo, Scott Wolf. So you can change and make sure that it fits inside the circle. So that's it for the Instagram profile picture. You would like to know So if you would like to know how to create the best Instagram bio where you can get a lot of clicks, so there's a video, so you could see the card over here. And then that's it for today's video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing, and if you have any questions, please do comment. And if you would like to learn more about Instagram and how to get more highly targeted followers, I have created a free course. The link is down below. Hopefully I'm in the process of making the course right now. Hopefully it would be up next week, and you can find the link down. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, do let me know. Yavar Khan signing off.